big breaking news for immigrants in Canada. If you were planning to sponsor your parents or grandparents for Canadian permanent residence, this update could completely change your plans. The Canadian government has officially paused new applications under the Parents and Grandparents program, leaving thousands of families wondering what comes next. Here's everything you need to know. If you're interested in Canadian immigration, permanent residency, and the latest government updates, make sure you're subscribed because we bring you accurate and timely immigration news. Today, we're discussing Canada's major decision to pause the Parents and Grandparents program. What it means for current and future sponsors. Who is affected, and what alternative options are still available. On July 15, 2026, the Canadian government announced that it is pausing the intake of new applications under the Parents and Grandparents program. This means IRCC will not accept any new interest to sponsor forms or send new invitations to apply until further notice. Unless the federal government changes this decision in the future, Canadian citizens and permanent residents currently have no new pathway to sponsor their parents or grandparents for permanent residence through the PGP. However, there is some good news for applicants already in the system. The government confirmed it will continue processing existing applications already received and aims to approve 15,000 permanent residence applications under the PGP in 2026. Currently, the department has an inventory of approximately 50,900 applications waiting to be processed. Of these, about 40,400 applications are for families settling outside Quebec, while around 10,500 are for those planning to settle in Quebec. According to Canada's latest immigration levels plan, the government has set annual PGP admission targets of 15,000 for 2026, 15,000 for 2027, and another 15,000 for 2028. For applicants who submitted their sponsorship applications in July 2025, the estimated remaining processing time is around 18 months for destinations outside Quebec and approximately 54 months for Quebec applicants. Many people may be wondering why this announcement is significant. The Parents and Grandparents program hasn't accepted new sponsor registrations since 2020. During the 3-week intake period that year, Canada received an overwhelming 203,213 unique interest to sponsor submissions. Since then, from 2020 through 2025, the government has randomly selected sponsors from that same 2020 pool using a lottery system. No new Canadians have been able to join the lottery after the 2020 intake. For families unable to use the PGP, the government is encouraging them to consider the Super Visa program instead. Unlike a regular visitor visa, which generally allows stays of up to 6 months, the Super Visa lets eligible parents and grandparents stay in Canada for up to 5 years per visit, with the visa itself remaining valid for up to 10 years. To qualify, applicants need an invitation letter from their child or grandchild in Canada, valid health insurance, and financial support from the host, who must meet the required minimum income threshold. Applicants must also satisfy Canada's temporary resident entry requirements and demonstrate that they will leave Canada when their authorized stay ends. This is one of the biggest family immigration updates of 2026. What are your thoughts on Canada's decision? Share your opinion in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Canadian immigration news.